Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the repeat loop instruction in the structured text programming. Basically the uh, repeat until loop is quite similar to the while loop, with the difference that the condition for aborting the loop is checked at the end of the loop, not at the beginning, which is the case for the while loop. This is something that you should keep in mind, otherwise you will not see the desired behavior that you want from the overall program and from the loop. This is the format that you can use for the repeat until loop. You start by the repeat keyword, then set of instructions that you want to repeat, then until keyword, and then the condition for aborting the loop, and at the end repeat, which is another keyword, determining that you are at the end of the repeat loop. As an example, I have changed the program that we had in the previous video with the while loop to the one with the repeat loop, and here you will see the difference between the while and repeat loops. So here we have all the variables declared, and then here I start by repeat. With timer 01 and timer 02, we are creating the timing, let's say 1 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4. So every 1 second, the output of the second timer 02.q will become true for a very short period, and then it will become false. So we will have pulses every 1 second, let's say. And accordingly, every 1 second, the value at timeout will be decremented by 1. So whenever the reset push button is pressed, the value for reset boolean variable is true. The timeout will be set to 10. It will be resetted, and this set of instructions will be repeated until we have the timeout so bigger than 1, let's say. So whenever okay, I think here this should be changed to smaller than 1, because here the condition should be false in the normal operation of the loop, and whenever the condition becomes true, the execution of the program will go outside of the repeat loop. So this is the abort condition. Whenever it becomes true, then the execution of the loop will be aborted, and then the execution will continue to the let's say next step. Yeah, here again I have resetting the timeout outside of the repeat loops. That's similar to what we had with the while loop. Okay, so let's log in and run the code, and then you will see how the repeat loop works in practice. This is the initial value for the timeout 10. If I change the value for the start, the value here will start to go down every 1 second. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then if we are expecting that since the timeout is smaller than 1, the execution of the repeat loop should be stopped. And actually it's the case. The execution of the repeat loop stops, and then the program continues to the next line of the code. So the reset is false, it goes down, and then it goes up. And this is the execution cycle, yeah? Then the execution starts from the first line of the code, and since the abortion condition is checked at the end of the loop, this piece of code, this set of instructions, are executed once in each cycle of the program execution. So that's why you see here that the value of the timeout is decreasing by 1. And this is happening at each execution cycle, let's say for the whole program. But if I reset it, Here, the decrement of the and the timeout, the whole thing starting from 10 to 1 is executed within one cycle, let's say. So we are still in one cycle. Oh, now we have finished. Yeah, if I reset again, now we are in one cycle of the execution of the program here inside the repeat, and then after it finishes, the execution goes down and then it continues, and then at each cycle of the program execution, the value in the timeout will be decremented by 1. So this is the main difference between the repeat loop and the while loop. With the repeat loop, the set of instructions inside the loop will be executed at least once, at least once for each program cycle, let's say. Okay, so this is something that you should keep in mind when you want to use the repeat loops in the program. All right, I hope this helps you in understanding the behavior of the repeat loop and its difference with the while loop. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to share the video if you think that it would be useful for someone else.